Hello and welcome back to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm with the Culture and Heritage Museums here in Rock Hill, South Carolina. And I'd like to show you what we have on the online store. And also I'm trying to encourage you to go to the store to make some purchases. Springtime's here, it's time for wedding presents and things like that. So today I'm going to show you a couple new pieces of pottery that we have in the store. But first I do want to congratulate the winners of our blog post. We had a competition a couple weeks ago. The first people who commented on the blog would receive Vernon Grant nursery rhyme prints, a Vernon Grant ornament, as well as a shelf sitter with a Vernon Grant design. We want to thank Kelly Murphy, Don Hodges, and Marsha Reed for commenting on the blog, and we hope you'll visit the blog as well. Okay, so today we're going to show you some pottery that you may not know what it's used for, but we're going to show you what you can use it for. First, we've got this bacon. This looks like a little vase, but actually it's a Baconator. You just lay your bacon over the edges, and for every slice you put it on there, you microwave it for 1 minute. So you have 2 slices of bacon, you nuke it for 2 minutes. But what happens is it'll fry it. The juice will collect in the bottom and you just pour off the grease into the can. But that's a Baconator. This is made by Katherine Petke. She's a local potter. All the pottery I'm going to show you today is featured by Katherine. It's made by Katherine Petke as well. Next, you say, what is this guy? This is look at that curly little tail. This is a salt pig. It comes with a little wooden spoon, and all you do is you load it up with your salt. And you can leave it out on the counter and scoop it up as you need it. But isn't that really cute with the little curly pigtail on the end? But it's called a salt pig. Next we have a little batter. This looks like a little pitcher, but it's made for batter. Comes with a little whisk, or you can pick up a little whisk. You just mix it up, makes just enough batter for 2 or 3 pancakes. But this is a great little batter mixer. She really does some nice work. She puts little lips on them so they will stand nice and level. But she does really nice pottery. This little guy, you think it might be a little bud vase, which you could use it as a bud vase. This one's got a little she always does a little seashell or some kind of crab motif or something, but she always puts a little bit of ornament on it. But actually this is used for a toothpick holder. So next time you have your little get together and you need some toothpicks, that's a great handmade little pottery toothpick holder. This really cool vase. It's got little birds on the sides, has a nice piece of driftwood. Katherine hits the beach a lot, and while she's down at the beach she will gather some driftwood, and she always likes to incorporate it with her pottery. You'll notice that she did it here on this little bird feeder. She has a little bit of the wood on there as well, but it just makes a great accent. On this vase she has tied it. She has the pottery handles, but then she's taken twine and she has tied it to the vase. It just makes a really cool statement. So when you have a vase like this that's very sort of busy as is, you just need a few blooms inside. Seriously, all you need is a couple of bright blooms. Look how big those blooms are on these azaleas this year. So just dropping these in the vase makes its own arrangement. And you know, when you make a simple arrangement, you just put the fatter ones toward the bottom and a couple of the tall ones toward the top. But look how nice the wood incorporates with the vase. But isn't that a great looking vase? These would make great presents. If you're going to the beach, you always want to take the guest who's hosting you a nice gift. This would be a great gift to give somebody at the beach as well. The site is chmuseums.myshopify.com, and we'll hope you'll visit, and we'll see you next time on What's in Store Fridays.